Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you the super fiber organic muesli made from whole grain cereals and naturally delicious and all organic mix of oats, sweetness, raisins, metal wheat, flakes, sunflower seeds and dates. So this all contain all these things and it is from a brand known as Somerist Super Cereal, and this is 40% fruits and seeds. So it contains 40% of fruits and seeds and rest of the oats and all things. Ideal for vegans. So all the vegans who do not eat any egg, milk or something like that, it is good for them. And the weight is 400 gram. What else is written? The UK is under, oh I think it's a UK based, yeah, it's a UK product. And good to know about all this. They have written more about the other products also: muesli, organic muesli, muesli biology, muesli bio, something. So this is it. Let's not waste much time and open this bag from here. Here comes the pack. So this is how it actually looks like. You can have a closer look. You can see the raisin seeds and some other sunflower seeds all are also there, and oats and other things, cereals are also there. So let's not waste much time and open the packet. So friends, here comes the muesli. This is how it actually looks like. And it's very yum. You can mix it with milk. Who are vegans, they can mix it with soy milk and then have it. It's very yum, it's very tasty. I've already tried it earlier, so now I bought this to just unbox in front of you all. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna eat it dry also, and let's give you a review about it. Frankly saying, guys, it's very tasty. You can eat dry also, and you know, you do not need to add any sugar in it. Raisins are adding so much of sugar in it, and it's very amazing, natural sugar. So friends, go for it. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. For my next videos, please subscribe. Thank you.